Good morning, it's Tuesday, April the 28th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing you the best press releases and halts in the AM so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As always, I've got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 3 press releases from the Canadian side, 2 from the US side. No halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Nevada Copper Corp. They trade on the TSX under the symbol NCU. The company is announcing high-grade drilling results from the East and E2 deposits, which is located in western Nevada. I've got some highlights coming from the company, which include hole number 39, which intersected 41 meters, averaging 3.2% copper and 1 gram per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of the company this morning. A little bit about Nevada Copper. They own 100% of the Pumpkin Hollow copper development property in the Walker Lane mineralized belt of western Nevada. They're last at 41 cents, 52-week high of 277, low of 16.5 cents, and a market cap of approximately $16 million. Moving on to our next company, Romarco Minerals. They trade on the venture under the symbol R. The company is announcing asset results from several drill holes at the Haley mine, which is located in South Carolina. We've got some pretty good numbers coming out of the company. Hole number 1508 returned 24.5 meters of 3.72 grams per ton of gold, and that's 11 meters above another interval of 32 meters containing 4 grams per ton of gold. Hole number 1509 encountered 15 meters of 1.5 grams per ton of gold and an additional 38 meters of 2 grams per ton of gold. A little bit about the company. They're a gold development company focused on production in the U.S. and Mexico. They're last at 55 cents, 52-week high of 68 cents, the low of 9 cents, and the market cap of approximately $150 million. Moving on to Far West Mining, they trade on the TSX, the big board, under the symbol FWM. The company is announcing that they've received an NI 43-101 resource estimate for the Santo Domingo Copper Iron Project, which is located in Chile. A little bit about the company. We've got the Santo Domingo project, which hosts an indicated resource of 383 million tons at an average copper equivalent grade of 0.57% copper, and there's a cutoff grade of 0.25% copper equivalent. A little bit about the company. They're an international mineral exploration company engaged in the evaluation, acquisition, exploration, and development of mining properties in Chile and Australia. They're last at $2.24, 52-week high of $3.65. Low of 51 cents, and a market cap of approximately $120 million. Now, moving over to the U.S. side, China Energy Recovery. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CGYV. The company is announcing record backlog orders for 2009. We've got some pretty big numbers here. The company claims to be a leader in the waste heat energy recovery sector. They're announcing contract values of backlog orders amount to $32.7 million, and that's in U.S. dollars. It's up 86% year over year, and these projects are anticipated to be completed over the next 12 months, which means the revenue can be realized over the next 12 months. A little bit about the company. They're a leader in designing, manufacturing, and installing waste heat energy recovery systems which provide facilities with greater energy efficiency, and the company's primary focus is on the ever-growing Chinese market. The company is last at $1.75, 52-week high of $12.82, low of 82 cents, and a market cap of approximately $52 million. Finally, I've got Sinovac Biotech. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange, Amex, under the symbol SVA. The company is announcing that they've received a purchase order for their HealLife from China's Ministry of Public Health. The company claims to be a developer and provider of vaccines in China, and they've announced the company has received a purchase order for approximately $12.8 million for its inactivated hepatitis A vaccine, which is known as HealLife, from China's Ministry of Public Health. A little bit about the company. They're a China-based biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the research, development, manufacture, and commercialization of vaccines that protect against human infectious diseases. HealLife, being one of their products, is widely recognized as a safe and high-quality vaccine against the hepatitis A virus. The company's last at $273, high of $455, low of 75 cents, and the market cap of approximately $117 million. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.